Hey guys, welcome back to Student Life. Due to the move to online learning, Microsoft Teams will undoubtedly become one of the biggest tools to be used. Don't worry, each student will have access to the entire Microsoft suite once using their university's email address. Here are a couple of things to keep in mind when using Microsoft Teams, as that will make the experience a lot easier and better for you. Number 1, scheduling sessions can be done within the software. Pre-scheduled sessions obviously give you a greater sense of organization, but they can also be linked to your device's calendar. Whether that be Google or iOS, you'll be able to get those alerts on any device you use. Number 2, class groups and study groups can be created in advance by a student or lecturer. This will eliminate the amount of time that it would take to individually add everyone to a meeting room, especially if it's a big class. Number 3, external microphones are definitely your best bet. Having an external mic will usually eliminate most atmospheric songs, as well as any immediate sound that you would hear from shifting a device or just moving in any kind of way. Now, not everyone might have an external microphone, but you might still have your phone's headset. That can be used as well. That's absolutely fine. Just plug it into your headphone input and you would be golden. Number 4, this is particularly useful when you don't have an external mic. Muting your mic while not in use. This would not only eliminate the amount of feedback you would have when everyone's mic is active, but it would also let the lecturer be heard clearly, so no miscommunication could happen. Now, I know presenting on an online platform can be as daunting as it is in person, but it might be a little more challenging just because of the technology involved. Fear not, Microsoft Teams has a lot of features that would help this process. One is definitely the use of the drag and drop of files. If you're doing a presentation and you would usually have a handout, this is particularly useful because everyone will now have instant access once you drag and drop that file. On the topic of presentations, screen sharing is absolutely a lovely feature to use. But Microsoft Teams takes it up a notch with giving you the ability to not only share your screen, but just a portion of your screen rather than your entire desktop. Another feature of Microsoft Teams that I would absolutely wholeheartedly recommend is the chat feature. Using the chat will help you keep a record of the discussions that took place in the session, as well as it can be used as an alternative if you don't have a mic available or any audio capabilities for that matter. Microsoft Teams, however, took chat to another level. They have now added the raise hand function. This will allow you to get your lecturer's attention in a respectful manner, just as how you would do it in class. And that's it. I hope some of these tips will be helpful with your use of Microsoft Teams. Be sure to check out all of Student Life socials right here and click that subscribe button to see all of our videos on YouTube. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you in the next one.